Close your eyes for a second and imagine waking up in the year 2050. Your AI assistant has already planned your day. Your car drove you to work. Your doctor is an AI that caught a disease before you had symptoms. Your house produces its own energy, and robots handle many of the dangerous and repetitive jobs. Sounds like science fiction? It's closer than you think. By 2050, AI could transform nearly every part of daily life, from healthcare and education to transportation and scientific research. But technology won't solve every problem. We'll still face difficult questions. Who owns the AI? How do we protect privacy? How do we ensure millions of people benefit, not just a handful? The future won't be defined by how powerful AI becomes. It will be defined by the choices we make today. Because 2050 isn't being built by future generations, it's being built by ours, right now.